8543. The positive aspects of human factor issues are referred to as the A. Magnificent Seven, B. Dirty Dozen, C. Meta. The correct answer is A. The Magnificent Seven list of human characteristics and issues was created after the Dirty Dozen, with a focus on the positive qualities. These are the 7 problems. 1. We strive to highlight the positive and get rid of the negative. 2. Because the cost of losing is too great, safety is not a game. 3. Just for today, no mistakes. 4. We all contribute to preventing Murphy from winning the lottery. 5. Our word is our signature, and it is worth more than gold. 6. Everybody on the squad is a member. 7. A safety net is present at all times. 8544. The SHEL model is another human factors tool. The goal is to determine not only what the problem is, but also A. Where and why it exists. B. How we prevent the problem. C. How many factors contribute to the error. The correct answer is A. The SHEL model is an acronym that stands for software, hardware, environment, and liveware. It is a tool used in human factors analysis to identify and assess the various factors that can contribute to human error in complex systems. The goal of the SHEL model is to not only identify the problem, but also to determine where and why it occurs. By analyzing the software, hardware, environment, and liveware factors that contribute to the error, the SHEL model can help identify specific areas for improvement or intervention. This can help prevent or mitigate human error in complex systems such as aviation, healthcare, or transportation. 8545. The 3 types of human error are A. Omission, commission, and extraneous. B. Active, latent, and stressor. C. Mental, situational, and physiological. The correct answer is A. The unintended act of completing a task wrong, which has the potential to harm the system, is known as human error. 3 categories of human mistake exist. 1. Omission, failing to carry out a duty or conduct. 2. Commission, doing an activity wrong. 3. Extraneous, carrying out a forbidden duty.